Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity software with CrowdStrike, full guide step by step clearly. Investing in cybersecurity software can be a strategic move for your portfolio. CrowdStrike is a leading company in this field, known for its innovative solutions. Begin by conducting thorough research on CrowdStrike's market position. Visit their official website to explore their products and services. Look for recent news articles and financial reports to understand their growth trajectory. Next, create a brokerage account if you don't have one already. Choose a reliable brokerage platform that gives you access to stocks and cybersecurity investments. Fund your account with the initial investment amount you are comfortable with. Once your account is funded, search for CrowdStrike's stock symbol, CRWD. Analyze the stock's performance history using charts and data available on your brokerage platform. Pay close attention to revenue growth, profit margins, and customer acquisition rates. Consider CrowdStrike's competitive advantages, such as their cloud-native platform and AI capabilities. Look at industry trends to assess the future of cybersecurity investments. Determine your investment strategy, whether it's short-term trading or long-term holding. Decide how many shares of CrowdStrike you wish to purchase based on your strategy. Place your order through your brokerage, choosing between market or limit orders. After purchasing, monitor your investment regularly for performance updates. Stay informed about cybersecurity trends and any developments regarding CrowdStrike. Review your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Be prepared to adjust your strategy as market dynamics change. Investing in cybersecurity software like CrowdStrike can enhance your portfolio's resilience. Educate yourself continuously to make informed decisions in this evolving field. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.